May kanin ako kung gusto mo
May
kumain.
kanin din ako pero ulam muna.
Ulam.
And right, no?
Yeah, right.
Okay, ate.
Yes, ate. You know, ate, kabayan sa?
Hmm.
You always passenger kabayan.
No good, ate? Tell ate?
No, it's
No,
okay.
it's
This is
good.
respect for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good respect for us.
Yeah.
We are not mentioned only name for in our contact.
Yeah.
Because ate, kuya. That's why if you are calling us ate, we're happy.
Yes, yes, of course.
We can go this way, here, this way. We'll go to the back.
Then left.
Then left. Left.
Hmm.
We can go here. Here? Kala? Para? Here. Sorry.
Yeah,
Me?
over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, can we drop here or here?
Yeah.
Okay, Ate Iban, baba. How much?
Hmm.
Wait, ate, may taxi. Ayan, kasi malakas. Alam, mabilis to. Ate.
Hmm.
May nagbili mo.
Kaliko siya. Dito kami guys. Asan si Jan ngayon? Ha? Saan? Ah. Kauwi na ko guys. May dala na kung ano guys. Donut at saka ano drinks guys. Eh. Tagal na. Dalawang oras din kami nagala-gala sa mall guys. Yan. Eh. Guys, oh. Yan guys. So guys, hanggang dito lang yung video ko guys. Thank you po sa inyo panonood at pagsuporta sa channel ko. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless and bye bye.